Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian bulls gathered in numbers into the European session and took the challenge towards a resistance of 78.80.85. Now it would seem that the upside test has failed after printing a high of 78.92 and was rejected, as it currently trades now at 78.55 with a low being 45 this morning. Later today in New York, the Fed Chairman Jay Powell will be making his first appearance at the Senate Banking Committee and presents the semi-annual monetary policy report, which is seen at midnight tonight at 12:30, and also as another scheduled meeting on Thursday. It is viewed or foreseen that the US dollar will increase in its bullish momentum, therefore would see the market challenge to the downside. Now the moving average of the 60-day comes in around 78.20 to 25, and is viewed a close beneath there would give further implications to the downside and bring in a target of 77.45.65. I still view towards the region of 78.885 as a sell zone. Well, the euro took a stab to the upside last night but didn't make hardly any impression, with the resistance still locked in around 123.70 to 80, the area that should cap as a firm top for this week. I do expect to see further challenges to the downside, with the support holding temporarily at the moment at 122.70, with the objective or the neckline from the double top reversal at 122 figure 10. Now a break beneath there does give further exposure and brings in a measured move of 118.20. Well, the dollar yen still a little bit hesitant to take on the challenge to the upside, but nevertheless is still seen as a potential rally if we see a break above 107.75. I still view dips as a buy zone towards 106.05.50, and overall I still expect from a technical point to see a break and rally on towards 108 to 109. The Great British Pound took a stab to the upside but found that there was good supply from the region of 140.60. From the rejection, the market still looks poised for a further test down and look towards 138.25.30 as initial target, with the uptrend still holding roughly around 136.80. Overall, I still feel the market will fail towards this top side, so still sell into rallies while the technical implications are still bearish. Gold did find a bit of momentum overnight but still got into a bit of trouble, and as you can see from the rejection from the region of around the 140 region, the market is now looking down towards the support that comes in at 1,327, and I still feel the market will look lower eventually towards the low region of 1,300, which is where the bullish foundations is. Any rally above 1,340 should still be a sell. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market wasn't as strong as it was on Friday, and at this present time still looks capped around 64.5. I still feel overall that the market will eventually turn away from this level and look towards the downside, with the immediate support still coming in around 63.40 to 62.5. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.